So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 5 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic microorganisms. So guys, this video will be about public health. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and consider the first question here. It says, the detection of vibrio cholera in public drinking water is a sign of A, decayed organisms in the water, B, outbreak of disease, C, clean water, D, water pollution. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's water pollution. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following statements about poliomyelitis is not correct? It's A, is an infant disease, B, is a bacterial disease, C, is capable of paralyzing the limbs, D, can be prevented by immunization. So guys, poliomyelitis is not a bacterial disease, and as such, option B is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says, cholera is mostly spread by A, air, B, water, C, soil, D, noise. So guys, obviously the answer to this question here is option B, and that's water. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, measles in infants can be prevented by A, taking anti-malarial tablets, B, vaccinating young children, C, sleeping under mosquito nets, D, providing clean water. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B, and that's vaccinating young children. So let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, a pandemic is an outbreak of disease that A, is widespread, B, has limited spread, C, will not spread, D, is confined to a town. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A, and that is widespread. So a pandemic is an outbreak of a disease that is widespread, and that's it for this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.